Hi guys, welcome to a small tutorial on how to use the barbecue. Come over. This is a big ceramic grill. It's actually super easy to use. There's a bunch of stuff in here. There's the little adjuster that you put on top. There's a pizza stone. Probably you won't need that. And then there's a couple of grills. This is really good for steaks and such. And then there is a convector. Here this is ceramics, so might want to be a little bit careful with it. This is really good for dissipating heat if you kind of slow cook something. And also lastly there's just a normal grill, also for steak and sausages and stuff. So basically what you want to do, you have a thing that opens in the bottom, kind of a ventilation unit. So this, when you start up the grill, you just want to open it up maximum, and then you can dial it down to maybe 50%. And if you slow cook something, you should have like 2 centimeters of space. That would be enough. So this is how you control how fast it burns. Right there. It's easy to get back and forth. Also up here, when you start it up, remember you cannot use normal briquettes. You need these charcoals. We might have some in the shed, but you could also buy this, so it needs to be charcoal. So what you do is just gather it in the middle. You don't need much, but just kind of make a pile here. And then we normally use 3 of these. Just place them randomly at 3 different locations, and then I'll take the burner. Just a second. So we have this thing in the shed, which is just a big lighter. So you can dial up the gas and flip it a couple times, and you have a flame. And then you just shoot it down into the little these little things that you place 3 different places, and then you kind of just let it heat up for 2 to 3 minutes in total. And that'll get your fire started. And then it should be ready in about 15 minutes. After the grill is started and it's hot, you basically just place the grill, and that's it. You can, if you want to adjust, use the steel hood to figure out how much fire you want. So it's pretty good at adjusting. But this grill is in reality made for slow cooking ribs. We can highly recommend trying that out. You can also YouTube it. There's a lot of videos on how to do it, but in reality what you do is to place this to dissipate the heat inside. You can then place your grill, place the meat, and then let it slow cook for around 2 hours. So if you want to do that, you kind of do what I just said, and then add this, and then open this up 5 millimeters in the top, 2 centimeters in the bottom, and then you'd have perfectly slow cooked ribs. So good luck with toying around with this stuff.